BESTOOL 2.4 gallon low profile oil drain pan. The smarter way to change oil. Low profile design, X inches tall, fits easily under low clearance vehicles, Porsche, Ferrari, Harley Davidson, etc. 2.4 gallon 10L capacity, handles multiple oil changes without frequent emptying. Leak-proof pour SP out加 secure lid, safe storage and no spill transfers. Reinforced PP material, resistant to corrosion, cracks and harsh chemicals. Multi-purpose use, works for engine oil, transmission fluid and brake fluid. BESTOOL 4 gallon oil drain pan, clean, hassle-free oil changes every time. 4 gallon 16L capacity, handles multiple oil changes without overflow. Anti-splash design, deep walls, prevent spills during draining. Easy pour SP out transfer, use the oil without drips or mess. Durable, easy to clean, made from tough, chemical-resistant material. Fits most vehicles, works for cars, trucks, SUVs and motorcycles. BESTOOL 15 gallon portable oil drain pan, the ultimate heavy-duty oil change solution. 15 gallon heavy-duty capacity, ideal for trucks, SUVs and fleet maintenance. 4 smooth, rolling wheels, move full. Pans easily round the garage or shop. 4 reinforced handles, lift and pour safely, even when full. Anti-spill design, deep basin, prevent splashes and overflows. Durable, chemical resistant, built to last with industrial grade materials.